Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to solve problems dealing with cosine for right triangles. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. The ratio for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Remember, we're only talking about right triangles. Let's look at the top right of the screen where it says SOHCAHTOA. So is for sine, ca is for cosine, and toa is for tangent. Since we're talking about cosine, let's look at ca. The C stands for cosine, the A stands for adjacent, and the H stands for hypotenuse. You can use this to remember that cosine's ratio is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now let's look at the right triangle on the right side of the screen. There is a leg that is 4 units long, there is another leg that is 3 units long, there is a hypotenuse that is 5 units long, and there is an angle marked with theta. The symbol of theta represents the measure of the angle. Let's find the cosine of theta. Well, we know that the ratio for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so let's look at what's adjacent to theta. The side that is adjacent to theta is the leg that is 3 units long. What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse, for this problem, is the side that is 5 units long. So the cosine of theta is 3 over 5. The cosine of theta is 3 over 5 because adjacent to theta is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5, so the cosine of theta is 3 over 5. Let's move on to the next problem. Let's look at the right triangle on the right side of the screen. There is a leg that's unlabeled, there is another leg marked with a question mark, and the hypotenuse is 4 units long. There is also an angle marked with 60 degrees. So what's the problem? Let's find the length of the leg marked with a question mark. So how are we going to do that? Well, we know that the ratio for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine of 60 degrees is the question mark over 4. Because adjacent to 60 degrees is the question mark and the hypotenuse is 4. So this is what we have so far. We have the cosine of 60 equals the question mark over 4. Remember, we're trying to find the value of that question mark. We're trying to find the length of the leg represented with the question mark. So how are we going to find the missing length? Well, we can rearrange this, and we can turn it into this. Now we have the cosine of 60 times 4 equals the question mark. If we calculate the cosine of 60 times 4, we can find the missing length. So what is the cosine of 60 times 4? The cosine of 60 times 4 equals 2. This is the length of the leg that was marked with a question mark. The missing length is 2 units long. I hope you understood how we solved these problems. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more of our videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.